Hi, I'm Shefali Ranganathan, and I'm the Director of Programs at Transportation Choices Coalition, and I'm here today to present three cool advocacy tools that Groundwire built with us, and the goal being to enhance our online advocacy. Just in terms of context, Transportation Choices Coalition, we are a statewide organization working to bring more transportation options to Washington residents, so more options to take the bus, ride the train, walk, bike, and do it safely. Much of our work is focused around advocacy at the state and local level, and as our name suggests, we work very often in large coalitions, so we were looking for a set of tools that we could share with coalition partners and really take our online advocacy and engagement to the next level. And so today I'm going to talk about the three cool tools that Groundwire helped build for us, and they are, the first one was essentially we wanted the ability to share petitions with our partners and embed them in partner websites. The second one was to track the source of a petition signer, so when we shared this with our coalition members broad and wide, we'd be able to trace the source of the signer, so we knew where the signers for these petitions were coming from. And the third one was to be able to take advantage of our cool Salesforce database and be able to share some of those tools with partners while keeping our own data secure. So the first one was, petitions that we can embed on partner websites. As I mentioned before, we work a lot on local and state campaigns. One such campaign is Transportation for Washington, which is a broad 2-year campaign to reform transportation in Washington State. Transportation Choices jointly hosts that campaign with FutureWise, our partners. And as you can see, we have a section for that campaign on our own website. But what it also has is its own home, Transportation for Washington's website. And what we wanted to be able to do is to build a website in a way that we could integrate the tools that we had, the petition and advocacy tools on our website into Transportation for Washington's website seamlessly. The platform for this website is WordPress, and that was pretty intentional because it was a quick and cheap way for us to be able to build these kinds of campaign websites while integrating the tools that Groundwire built for us. So you can see here we have a pretty simple petition that we host on our own website. Pretty straightforward. The data is collected on the back end with Salesforce. But what you can also see is we can host that exact same petition on the Transportation for Washington website, and it pretty seamlessly integrates into the design of the website with CSS styling. And it was a way for us to be able to collect the data from a lot of different places and it be housed in a central Salesforce database. The second tool is tracking the source of petition signers. We have plenty of coalition members, and we want to be able to share petitions that they can share with their lists, but we want to be able to track the data and to track where petition signers were coming from. So what Groundwire built for us was this little integration in Salesforce where you had the option to check someone off as a campaign partner. So for example, if we asked Groundwire to send out an action alert for us, we would check that off as they being a campaign partner, and what that would do was generate a unique query string that we could then share with them. And what that did for us was then when Groundwire broadcasted it, Facebook tweeted it, using that unique link, when people signed that petition and that data came back to us in Salesforce, we'd be able to tag those contacts as having come from Groundwire. And the other neat thing about that is that if there were people who weren't on Groundwire's list that came to us as a consequence of this petition, we'd be able to share that data with Groundwire. And so it's a pretty cool way for us to engage partners and offer partners an opportunity to do some list building of their own. The third and final piece of what they built for us is being able to share our cool Salesforce database while keeping our own data secure. So specifically for the Transportation for Washington campaign, what they did was they built something called a campaign segment, and essentially what it did was any partner campaign could be called a campaign segment, you can see here. And what that did was that anybody who came into Transportation for Washington campaign would be tagged as being part of that campaign segment. On the back end, what it allowed us to do is you could put users in that campaign user group, and essentially it would restrict the type of data that they would see. So essentially, you can see a Brock would only be able to see data that was tagged or was part of the Transportation for Washington segment. So it was a pretty neat solution for us to be able to keep our data separate and secure, but also share the Salesforce tool with what I imagine will be dozens of campaigns over the next couple of years using this campaign segment tool. We are really thrilled with the tools that they built for us, and we're hoping to be able to use that to really leverage and take our online advocacy to the next level. I'm happy to connect with you later on if you had questions about these tools and other things that Groundwire built for us. You can reach me at transportationchoices.org. Once again, it's Shefali with Transportation Choices Coalition, and thanks for listening.